Hey Jamie, I have a challenge for you.
Oh no, what is it?
Okay, and then you have to point it at me. Okay, and then I go, can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
I say we shoot each other in the legs with this pellet gun, and then see who can survive longer with the most amount of pellets in them.
I already have one on my nipple.
What do you think about that, Jamie? You ready to go? Don't show me! Just keep talking to the camera!
Nipple.
Put your nipple away! What do you think about that, Jamie?
It sounds pretty alright.
Yeah, okay. Let's do it then. Okay, and then back to me.
Yeah! Do it, you big old bitch boy. Bitch. This is the good shit, this is the good shit, this is the good shit. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. First, I gotta drink some beer.
Damn straight.
You gonna die, son.
I hope you can top this. Okay, you're next, Jamie.
5, 4, 3,
Fire!
2, 1. Are you fucking ready for this?
Yeah! I shot myself right in the vein.
I'm not Catholic, but what I'm about to say will probably be Mother Mary, Jesus fucking Christ. Mother Mary, Jesus fucking Christ! Ah! Fuck! 1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh, fuck!
Hello? This is me shooting myself in the knuckle.
Ah, fuck!
Fucking hurts like cock. Okay, I just shot myself in the knuckle. Casey, what are you shooting?
I'm gonna shoot myself in the ear.
Oh god, is that real good?
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Are we all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Christ, this fucking hurt.
Go. Okay, where am I gonna shoot you right now?
In the fucking spine! One! Ah! Fuck!
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god! Fuck, that hurts! Holy shit! Say goodbye, nipple.
Goodbye, nipper. Clink. Wait.
No, you gotta get it. Yeah.
But. Hey,
No.
Casey, how's your ear doing?
I don't know, you tell me!
Oh my fucking Christ! Yeah! Yeah!
Is it right on point?
It's on fucking point, son. 10, 9, 1. Go! Your nipple's bleeding!
Holy shit, girl!
Girl, that's a fucked up nipper.
Let us know in the comments who's better, me or him. Alright? Okay, peace out.
Nipper!
Peace out, motherfuckers!
Yeah!
Hey, cuntface, wake up. Wanna go get some food? I said we're gonna get some food, wake up.
Alright.
Okay, good. Also, I wanna see your nipples.
Let me see this shit. Oh god, that's gonna fucking hurt.
Oh, lovely. Holy shit. Learned your lesson, didn't ya?
What was my lesson?
Don't shoot yourself in the nipple with BB guns.